Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your OPPO A6x. So first, we're gonna remove the screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your case is covering a part of the screen, if it's covering, let's say, this bezel, so the part between the screen and the side of the phone, and if it's covering the screen, then what can happen is this. As you guys can see, it will be right here. It will tap on the screen all the time. So it will look like this. You won't be able to use your phone normally. And the same goes for the screen protector. If it's applied poorly, not perfectly on the screen, but it's misaligned and goes over, let's say, to the bezels or to the side, then the same thing can happen, and we definitely do not want it. Now, what we want to do next is we want to clean our screen to remove any debris or moisture. This is very important so we can get rid of any debris, moisture, and of course, fingerprints. Now, we're going to give it a few swipes. Make sure to swipe your screen until it's perfectly clean. Now, for a lot of people, 3 or 4 swipes is enough, but for me, I like my phone very clean. So now after that, what you guys want to do is go over and update your software to fix any touch glitches. You just go over to the settings, now swipe down to System and Update and tap Software Update. It will automatically check if you have a new version available. All you need is Wi-Fi, and I got the latest version, but if you don't and you have a button to update, then make sure to hit it because you want to be on the latest version. You don't want to be stuck with old glitches, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.